In this video, we are going to see how we can turn the normal text into a heading. So right now I'm using a predefined template or a predefined document where I already have some headings. But let's say I have converted this one into a normal text, and then you can see that it is removed from here as well. So how I have converted this, I'll go to the home tab, and here you can specify whether it's heading or normal text. So let's say I have removed all of this from headings. And by the way, guys, for your practice, I'll attach this document with the link of this video, so you can just download it and follow along. So now if I want to turn this introduction to a heading, whenever you want the heading, I'll just go to the home tab and click on heading here, and it will be immediately converted into the heading. And we can set it for all. But if you want to be more efficient, what we will do is just select this heading and we will customize this heading style. And let's say we want to use that heading style that we have customized. We have customized the size, we have customized the writing style, we have customized the spacing and the color. And let's say we want to efficiently use this in every single document. So what we can do is we can save that heading as a template. So for that, I'll not use this one as a document. I'll click on new and select the blank document. Now here I will write heading 1 and let's make it a heading now. Now if I make it as a heading, you will notice that the old default heading style comes back. But in this case, it was set to Times New Roman and 18 size already. So this is the default settings, right? Now let's say I want to customize this and modify. So what we can do is just right click and modify from here. And let's set it to, let's say, Arial black, and the text should be black and the size should be 22 and it should be bold, something like this. Or let's set it to this format and actually make all those settings right here. And then I'll just click OK, and here is my heading style applied. Now let's customize the heading 2 as well. Let's say I'll write here heading 2. And it should be a subheading of the main heading. So I'll just use the default template. I'll go to the home tab and click on heading 2. Now guys, you can see this navigation pane here. As you can see, this is heading, the main heading, and this is the subheading. So it's showing in the indent. It is within this heading. So it shows like this. And if your navigation pane is not enabled, it's very easy. I'll just go to the view tab from here and click on the navigation pane. Even if you have cancelled that, you will find it right here in the view tab. So let's move back to the topic and let's customize this heading 2 as well. I'll just right click here and click on modify here. And let's also customize this one as well. So I have customized this Times New Roman 16, bold and black. So I have customized this one as well. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to save this as a template. So whenever I want to use these headings, I don't have to customize it every single time, even in the new document. So I'll go to file and click on save as and choose the browse location. Now if I save as type as a Word document, it will be saved as a normal document. But what I will do is I'll just choose the Word template right here. As you can see here, this formatting type is Word template. So I'll just choose this and it will directly move it in C drive users, username, OneDrive documents and custom office templates. So remember that you cannot change the location, otherwise you won't be able to access this as a template. It is default location of the custom office templates. Now what I'll do is I'll save it as custom headings and let's save it. Now let's close this and let's open back this document which we were working on. And let's say this one, these headings, I want to customize that as my own headings. So let's actually go back and convert all of these back to the headings like they were. Now to add the headings, I'll go to the file and click on options here and let's click on add-ins here. Then I'll go to this manage option right here at the bottom and change it to templates and then click on go. Now we have to attach the template. So I'll just go to here and just choose the template that you have saved. So as we can see that all the templates are here, but our template is not here because we have saved it in some other location. It's in the documents. And then I'll click on custom office templates to find our custom headings. Let's click on open. Now it's very important to check this area, automatically update the document styles. So whenever I make changes to the template, it will automatically be updated in the office application as well. Now let's click on OK, and you will notice that all the headings are directly updated. So just imagine that you don't have to work around all the headings if you want to change the formatting for all of them. Most efficient way of working this is, let me redo it, and you can see that all the headings are now updated to the new format. And you might be thinking that why it is not set to heading 2 and it has formatted all of this according to heading 1 only, because it seems like this one is heading 1 and this should all come under that as a heading 2. But because this document has identified already or set already as heading 1 for all, that's why it has formatted or picked the formatting of heading 1. I hope you got my point. And for this one, like I said, this one is remaining. So sometimes it is not marked in the formatting as a heading. So that's why it's not converted. I'll just change it to heading manually in that case, and we are good to go. Now, for example, if I want to customize that template that I just saved, what I can do is just go to the open option from the file menu and just choose the browse location. And then I can just go to the documents and go to the custom office templates. And here I can just choose that custom headings and it will open it as a new document. And then what you can do is just select this and just go right click and modify this. And you can change it however you want. For example, I want to turn it into, let's say, purple. So this one is purple. We can customize this one as well. Modify, change it to, let's say, green. Click OK. And then you can just save this template by pressing the Ctrl S button. And whenever now you want to customize any particular template, you have to upload it as an add-in again. Now, if we want to customize this template, what we have to do is close this document because this is already attached to the existing one. So what we'll do is just close this. And let's say I don't want to save this, and then we will open the document again. And now we will go again in File, go to the options, and you will go to add-ins, templates, and then click on Go. Just make sure that no attachment is already done. So as we can see, document type is normal here. So I'll just choose the location, attach the file, make sure you go to the documents, the custom office templates, and here you will find this custom headings. Just close, just select this, automatically update the document styles, and we click OK, and you are good to go. So guys, this is how you can re-upload or edit the headings and then apply it to the new document as well. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.